Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer shake and bake drumsticks. Let's begin. The first thing what we're going to do is season the 5 chicken drumsticks. We're just going to add just a little bit of garlic powder to boost up the flavor. We have here 1 box of shake and bake original chicken. Let's open it up. There's 2 pouches. We're just going to be using 1 pouch. And it comes with plastic bags. We're just going to be using 1 bag. We're going to open one of the pouches. Pour the mix into the bag. There we go. Next, we're going to take the drumsticks and put it in. Mix everything all around. Take it all around, make sure it's coated. Let's take it out. This is what it looks like before we put it in, and let's preheat the air fryer. We're gonna push the preheat button, and we're gonna preheat it to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the chicken drumsticks. Before we put it in, we're just gonna spray some cooking oil into the basket. There we go. We're going to take the drumsticks and put it in. There we go. We have the 5 chicken drumsticks in. Let's put it in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 20 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes so far at 400 degrees. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Smells really good. Okay, we flipped them all over. Let's put it back in for the last 10 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been a total time of 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking wonderful. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer, shake and bake, chicken drumsticks. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.